students, how are you all? Anyway, today I hope so you all understood about last video, and today we are going to discuss exercise number 1.2 composite functions part 2, that is 5 to 7 problems. Okay, before going to that, let's do prayer, then we can start our class. Close your eyes. God, kindly provide your knowledge and wisdom to solve our mathematics problems and our daily life problems. Thank you, God. Right. So now we just go to our part number 2, 5 to 7 problems. Let's write that fifth problem. Alright, this is about your problem number 5. If f maps R to us such that f of x is equal to x plus b, a is not equal to 0, then prove that f is a bijection function. Also find f inverse. So bijection means you already know that first we need to do 1 to 1 and on to, then we can find the f inverse. Let's move on to the solution. It's a very simple. Last class we discussed already. Like we are going to discuss now again same model. So now first which are given, that you can write given f maps R to R, f of x is equal to ax plus b, right? So now for 1 to 1, what we need to do, let x1 comma x2 is belongs to the R. Then we can write f of x1 is equal to f of x2. So wherever x is there, substitute x1 and x2. So ax1 plus b is equal to ax2 plus b. b get cancelled. ax1 is equal to ax2, a get cancelled, x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 to 1. So f is 1 to 1 done. Then we'll go for f is onto. So now onto function means first what we need to do. So let y is belongs to the. So what we can write? Y is belongs to the R. Then we can write f of x is equal to y. So what is your f of x now in this place? So ax plus b, write that ax plus b is equal to y. Find x value. So ax is equal to plus b, go to that side minus b. So y minus b, x is equal to a is here multiplying, go to that side, it becomes a division. So y minus b upon a. So now here y is belongs to, it is a real number, so you found this is a fraction form also it belongs to the real number. So simply what we can write, for every y belongs to the R, so that means is what? So it is nothing but codomain of f is equal to the range of f. So if you want, I already said to you clearly, that is wherever x is there in the f of x, substitute y minus b upon a. When you substitute that, you get f of x is equal to y, so that it is proved. So now, but what we are doing it is, we already know by observing this itself, that's what directly for every y belongs to R we are writing. So now here codomain of f is equal to range of f it is. So if this happened, therefore f is onto. So if 1 to 1 onto both finish, then what we can find? We need to find the f inverse. So you already know that what is f. This belongs to what we can write, f inverse of y is equal to x. So same thing I am writing, f inverse of y is equal to x. Then f inverse of y is equal to, what is your x? Y minus b upon a. So write that y minus b upon a. So if you want as a formula, what we need to do, just replace in the y as x. So f inverse of x is equal to x minus b upon a for every x belongs to R. So this is about your fifth problem. So let's move on to the next problem. Alright, let's move on to the next problem. If f maps R to R, f of x is equal to cos of x plus 2 is f inverse exists. So they are saying that whether it is F inverse exists or not. Is F inverse exist means it's a question that they are asking that F inverse is possible or not possible. But you already know that if you draw a wave, so then what is going to be happens if you draw the cos wave. I will draw for you. So it is your x-axis, it is your y-axis, and your pi, 2 pi, and so on. So what I am going to do now, just concentrate so that you can understand. Alright, this is about your cos wave. So you already know that cos 0 is 1 and cos 2 pi is 1 and cos pi is minus 1. So just I draw here one diagram. From this itself you can understand that if anything like cos function is there, that cannot be existed. The reason behind that, just concentrate here in this place. What they were, here it is 1, cos 0 is 1 and then cos 2 pi is 1. So from this two values having one image, so means two numbers having the same image, that means it is many to one function, it is not one to one function. So what we will do is now, so now just we take the function and we will check whether for 0 and 2 pi is the same value you will get or not. If you get same value, it is many to one function. So if function is not one to one, then it cannot be possible as on to. Therefore directly we can write F inverse does not exist. But let's see now what is possibility. So f of x is equal to cos x plus 2. Now I am solving this given f of x is equal to cos x plus 2, f maps R to R. So now first I will keep 0. Then what will happen? Cos 0 plus 2. So f of 0 is equal to cos 2. So this is 0 means if you substitute as 0, you get answer as cos 2. Means it is 0 comma cos 2. Okay. So let's move on to the second, that is 2 pi. So f of 2 pi is equal to cos of 2 pi plus 2. So what is cos 2 pi plus theta? Cos 2 pi plus theta is nothing but cos theta. So directly we can write this as cos 2. So it is f of 2 pi is equal to what as cos 2. So now it is 2 pi comma cos 2. So from this you are understood that when 0 substituted you got as cos 2. When 2 pi substituted, then again you got as cos 2. So from this what we can say? So we can say that so only one image is obtained. Only one image is obtained for 0 and 2 pi. So write that only one image is obtained for 0 and 2 pi. Therefore, it is not 1 to 1. Therefore, it is not onto. Therefore, F inverse does not exist, because whenever it bijection happens, then only it is possible to be exist, otherwise it is not going to be exist. This is about your sixth problem. Let's move on to the next problem. Alright, let's move on to seventh problem. Find F inverse if exists where F A maps B is such that first one is this and there are three parts in that. First part is this. If A is equal to 0, minus 1, minus 3, 2, B is equal to minus 9, minus 3, 0, comma 6 and function f of x is equal to 3x. So what we need to do easily for 1 to 1 and R2. So what I will do, just observe now. This is your solution for first 1 to 1 purpose. Just substitute the 0, minus 1, minus 3, minus 2 in the f of x and find the values. So first given here, what is given? So that is f maps A to B given, and here it is f of x is equal to 3x given. So A values you need to substitute and get the B value. So f of 0, your first one is 0, second one it is minus 1, so next one is minus 3, next one is 2. Just substitute and get the values. 3 into 0, 3 into minus 1, 3 into minus 3, 3 into 2. So now here 0, minus 3, minus 9 and 6. So these are the outcomes, these are your results. So means this is called as range and this is called as domain. So then if I need to write f is what is here, 0, comma 0, minus 1, comma minus 3, minus 3, comma minus 9, and the one it is 2, comma 6. So here your finding relation is uniquely is there, that's what it is going to be, 1 to 1. So we can write unique relation, therefore f is 1 to 1. Then on to purpose, what we need to check, codomain is equal to range. Here what is range? So range is equal to 0, minus 3, minus 9, 6. 0, minus 3, minus 9, 6. This is your range, only the second part, and first part is called as your domain. So now 0, minus 3, minus 9, 6 are called as range. Now codomain. Codomain is nothing but your B value is equal to B, that is equal to what is it, minus 9, minus 3, 0, 6. Check now, these all values are there or not. Minus 9, minus 9, minus 3, minus 3, 0, 0, 6, 6. So now all the elements are there. So all the elements having the relation. So codomain is equal to range. So I'll give that as 1 and this as 2. 1 is equal to 2. Therefore, f is on 2. So here it is. F is on 2 and f is 1 to 1. Therefore, what is your f inverse? So f inverse is equal, just reverse it. 0, 0, minus 3, comma minus 1. 0, 0, minus 3, comma minus 1. Next, minus 9, comma minus 3. Minus 9, comma minus 3. 6, comma 2. This is about your f inverse, how to find. So this is about your 7th question, first one, and let's move on to the next. This is your second part. So if A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, B is equal to 0, 1, 9, 25, 49, 81, f of x is equal to x square. Same method, solution again. So what is given? Given here, f maps A to B, f of x is equal to x square. And for 1 to 1, what we need to do, just substitute A value and get the B value. So means, what is A first one? 1, next 3, next 5, next 7, next 9. So get the values, square values. 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square, 9 square. So 1, 9, 25, 49, 81. So we got this all. So what is your f now in this place? So f is equal to 1 comma 1, next one 3 comma 9, next one 5 comma 25, next one 7 comma 49, next one 9 comma 81. So this is your f you got. And now whether it is 1 to 1 or not, just observe in this place unique relation is there. Therefore unique relation, therefore 1 to 1. And for on to we need to check. So first your range is equal to, what do you know, range of f. So whatever the second element is there, that 1, 9, 25, 49, 81. 1, 9, 25, 49, 81. And what is codomain? Codomain f is codomain of f is equal to capital B, that is equal to, what is your capital B? 0, 1, 9, 25, 49, 81. You found here it is 1 and 2 are not equal because here 0 is extra. So 1 is not equal to 2. Therefore, it is not on 2. Therefore, f inverse does not exist. Same method. Remaining two problems also, that is the third and fourth, you have to solve. I'll just write the question, you have to solve in your home. And if you have any doubt in that too, you can ask me through the comments. Okay, so this is about your seventh one, and homework problem I'm going to write. Anyway, only one single problem, it is not two problems. That is your third one. Capital A is equal to capital B is equal to R, f of x is equal to x cube. So A is belongs to R, B is belongs to R, and f of x is equal to x cube they given. So you need to find whether f inverse exists or not. So this is your homework problem. If you have any doubt, you can comment so that I can understand and I can solve. Otherwise, you can WhatsApp me so that I can help you out. So this is about your seventh question. So thus we completed exercise number 1.2. May God bless you all. This is my special request. Kindly help who are needy. I was only able to help for 10 families, not more than that. Kindly help others. Kindly help others in this pandemic time. May God bless you all.